Hi there, my name's Scott. I'm 51 years old, I think. Sometimes I forget. Uh, and I'm here at Georgian Dental. I'm a patient of Dr. Tam's. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the experience, the journey that I've been on. I'm going to take you way back though, because when I was really young, a dentist told me he wanted to take pictures of my teeth so we could put them up on the wall and show others what happens when you don't take care of your teeth. And that made me really self-conscious. From that point forward, I just didn't want to go to the dentist. It didn't have anything to do with pain or discomfort. I didn't want that attention. I now knew my teeth weren't good, and I didn't want anybody looking at them. And as I grew, and because I didn't go to the dentist regularly, my teeth, of course, became a self-fulfilling prophecy. My teeth started to turn really bad. And I started to hide it. Everything from a tooth would break, and I would use a bonding agent to stick it right back into where it fell out of. Or when the tooth was no good anymore, I used thermoplastic to create a tooth and put it in that place. And when that didn't work anymore, I bought a clip-on veneer. That was great and I used that for somewhere between 2 to 4 years. The problem was I didn't get the attention I needed. So I was hiding my broken teeth, and things were just getting worse and worse and worse. And by the time I came here and made the decision that we were going to make the investment, we knew it was expensive, and by we, I'm talking about my wife, Jill. She really encouraged me to get what I needed to take care of myself. I'm always the kind of person that takes care of others, but not so quick to want to spend on myself. And she encouraged me to get the attention that I needed. And I'm really glad she did. And once I came in and I met with Dr. Tam and the team here at Georgian Dental, I felt very comfortable. I felt like we were making the right decision. I was uncomfortable about the money, but I knew that it was the money that needed to be spent. I mean, that was years of not taking care of myself. And I could keep buying clip-on veneers or whatever, but I was just going to get sick if I didn't get it taken care of. And in fact, when we started doing the work, we realized that I had infection right up into my jawbone because I had ignored it for so long. That actually caused me a little bit of a panic, because when we started putting the implants in, the pain was too great. The first day when we were sort of a one-day appointment, it didn't work, and that was so disheartening. I was so afraid that we'd spent this money and it would fail, that it just wasn't going to take, and that I had let it go for too long, and now there was no option for me. That wasn't true. Dr. Tam had me come in the very next business day. We needed to use an anesthesiologist because being awake during that pain just wasn't possible. And the very next business day, we were completely back on track and everything was fine. And the team here has been just incredible at taking great care of me, being accommodating with my schedule. For most of the time during this treatment, I was traveling for a living. I'm an IT consultant, and I'd be in a different city every week. So, if I was lucky, there'd be a Friday when I could get in here to do whatever the next step was. And they've been incredibly accommodating and really thoughtful. And I'm going to call out Serlene, who's an amazing person, and she even just hears that a 3 o'clock appointment might not be a good fit and a 5 o'clock appointment would be better, and she works in the background to see if she can't make something happen, and almost always manages to come up with something that works even just a little bit better. And that's kind of the mentality that the whole team here has. They're just amazing at being responsive and not telling me what needs to happen, but listening to what I'm experiencing and then saying, okay, I'm hearing that, and now here's what we're going to do to try to deal with any discomfort or anything that doesn't feel quite right. And so it's been a really positive experience. I'll warn you that there's a lot of appointments. Yes, you get teeth in a day, but you have to keep coming back until you finally have your final. So you need to plan for that in advance, to come in for frequent appointments until you hit this day where now I come back for a cleaning in 3 months. So I'm a little bit happy about that. I really like these people, but you know, it's time to go see we need to see other people for a little while. So all in all, it's been just an amazing experience. It's been a great journey. With the temporary implants, I found them very easy to eat with and to smile and be very comfortable. And now I have the final in. And I think probably the best testimony I can give is I don't think about my teeth. I go and I eat when I want to eat. I go to work. I'm not thinking about who's looking at my teeth or anything. I just live life. And it's a great fit. It's incredibly comfortable. And I hope that you get to have the same experience.